25. Today we have a Marvel Adventure here with me from Diamond Art Club. This is Snap. This is 76 by 42 centimeters long, and this diamond painting is for my youngest son. This is round because you can see the round symbol right here, and I love the boxes came in, so that's very nice. I ordered some few more, and this is fully drill painting, and yeah, he loves Thanos, so I thought maybe he wanna do one with Thanos. He's kind of big fan of him, so that's very nice. And he's coming to me today. I'm gonna pick him up after this video, and he's gonna be so happy about this one. So I have to open it so we can keep this up with him when we get home. I did see it was lots of special drills in this painting, so it could be good fun. Let's see. It's a smaller box, so I have to take it away. So we get this cute little stickers. You can see how nice it is with his glove. He loves the glove because it's in gold, I believe. The toolkit. Never opened the toolkit. For the painting. This is gonna be a long one, so I'm super excited to see. It goes this way, and we also got some. We get 1, 2 AB. That's very nice. And special drills we are gonna get is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Some special drill down here. I believe it should be a crystal that I did see someone picked out. So I'm gonna find out where they are going. So here we got the glove. So this is gonna be a long because it's 17 that way. So roll it. You're probably not gonna see the whole painting. Okay, so we are reaching the end of this painting, so that's very nice. So here is the end. Very nice, very smooth. It looks like it's gonna be quite a lot of black color. Yes, and the white one is going in here. We're gonna have some one down here. We're also gonna have some white around here, up here. So there are white nice spots. So one, let's see, 10 different we are gonna get. Doesn't look like there are. Yeah, we got some down here with the new one. Let's see if we can find some more. Yeah, this one is gonna be the special drill. Are there more? Cannot see any white A. Got white all around here, so one in here. Let's see, some yellow down here. Let's see, maybe other side. You can fill in some white, some one. So it's gonna be plenty of one and white down here. And in this area here, we are gonna have plenty. So it looks like this is gonna be some of the AB. This is gonna, no, not the AB, but the crystal down here, and some crystal in here, and some crystal in here. So all the crystal is going into this area. So it's 2 right here, 2, 2, and 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So where's the other one? It's N. It's there. Well, see that one? Oh, yeah, that one. Okay, so also down here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars crystal, and it's gonna be on all of those 5. So that's why there are 10. And the white and the yellow is also going in with the AB. So that's very nice. And here we have a bigger picture of the painting. So this is gonna be very cool painting with all the crystal for his hand, and there are 56 colors, so not crazy of much color, much blue and some other strange colors. And if you can see here, you can see it's crystal. Yeah, I don't know if you can see the crystal in this. There are yellow one. Here we have what is that color? Like champagne or something right there. And we have the AB, and the AB stands for Borealis. That one is the Eridussin. So this is gonna be quite cool when we are thank you for purchasing. This is step-by-step instruction. Don't need it. Have plenty. So this one is my youngest son is gonna do. He really wanna do Thanos, and I'm super excited to see how he's gonna work on it, because he's never done this big of a painting before. He loved the small ones, so this one could be very fun for him because he loves Thanos. So I did buy it for him. Let's see. Oh, I'm gonna do it like this. Here you can see the drill area, very nice drill area. It's like the square kind of drill area they use nowadays in those run. And I did one with the new rendering, and I really love it. So it more kind of get more background effect as it looks like fully completely painting. So I really love how they are doing the round drill now. And yeah, this one is, the plastic is so thin, I don't like the plastic, and it's super sticky, so that's very nice. Oh, sorry, didn't put it on correctly. Just like that. And yeah, it's cool that we have some crystal in this painting. Very nice, they thought about the crystals. They have changed up some diamond from Diamond Club, like crystals, some different sizes, and I also got some fairy dust and some like gold diamonds. I really love they are doing some changes every time, not only the AB. So that's kind of cool. So this is the first I have from Marvel now, and I also ordered two for myself. I love Marvel. I love to look at like the story behind Iron Man and like Doctor Strange and everything. So I did buy the big one with every character in it. So that one is for me. So I hope you like this one. This is Snap by Marvel from Diamond Art Club, and this is, yeah, it's big one, but it's very nice one. So I believe that's all for this painting, and I hope you like this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. And have a very nice day, guys. Bye.